Hey there, my name is Steve and I'm excited to share with you what it means to be a cabinet maker and the passion that goes into our craft. While some people mistake us for carpenters, the truth is our jobs are wildly different. While we do both work with wood and manufactured board, cabinet making focuses more on the wood itself, the joints and the types of finishes. Our work involves creating custom cabinets, furniture and other products with absolute attention to detail and precision. From hand selecting the finest materials to the intricate cutting, shaping and assembling process, each step requires skill, dedication and the ability to problem solve, especially if you're working in tight spaces. One of the most fulfilling parts about our job is witnessing a project come to life from start to finish, knowing that every piece was crafted by our own hands. Whether it's a modern kitchen cabinet or a timeless antique wardrobe, each creation is a labour of love. Beyond the woodworking itself, we get the opportunity to collaborate with clients and designers, bringing their visions to reality, creating some amazing pieces. This allows us to showcase our creativity and problem-solving abilities, resulting in custom pieces that are truly unique. Being a cabinet maker is not just a job, but a blend of artistry, technical expertise, and creativity. If you share a passion in woodworking and the desire to create beautiful, functional pieces, then cabinet making could be the perfect career path for you.